Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make Snapchat slow motion video. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, tap on App Store and Play Store. From here, tap on Snapchat, tap on this and tap on Snapchat, and from here what you need to do, tap on update. After that, wait a few seconds and tap on open, and from here tap on red button and make a video. Tap on this, and after that swipe on right side and select a slow motion option, and from here you as can see make a slow motion video. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.